What's going on, guys? I'm out here in Riga, Latvia, shooting street photography video with Sony A6700 and the Sony 35mm F1.8 lens. It's a full frame lens on a crop sensor. It's gonna give us approximately 50mm focal length. It's cold, rainy and no snow, but there's gonna be nice Christmas lights all over the place, so it should be a fun one. Let's go! So in the camera I'm going to be shooting all RAWs and it's going to be aperture priority. I just have set it under the first profile, and yeah, shooting RAWs, aperture priority. Probably going to shoot a little bit higher ISO because it's already getting a little bit dark, and then just adjust it based on the shutter speed, that is. Let's go. Using these plants as a foreground here. Good. I want to close the aperture a little bit because I want to have more in the focus, but it costs me some noise. But I'm pretty sure A6700 can handle a little bit of noise. And let me see if I can use this reflection from the water, because that would be really nice. Let me try. So I'm actually going to change the focus mode to spot, and we'll push it a little bit higher so it actually focuses on those buildings instead of the reflection. And the reflection is just gonna be a foreground thing. I'm getting there. I think it's nice. Let me see what's more on this street. Switching back to wide, more small streets. I like the signs, sometimes they're really cool. Oh, nice. Look at that tower popping out. Beautiful. That's super nice. Let's find a market. I want to get some people's faces with a reflection of the glass. Maybe this guy. You could take a look. Oh. Another reflection. Nah, not what I wanted. Okay, I'm gonna set the aperture actually to 1.8 because there's a lot going on. Maybe we can yeah, I think ISO 800 will be fine. I want the f-stop of 1.8 because I want to isolate the background from the people a little bit. Let's see how they eat. or do stuff. Oh, I like that fire. That's cool. A little Christmas market.
All the shadows fade away. All your streets are empty lights begin to sway. 4 a.m. as I think, oh, Stockholm love. Sometimes I picture how life had been in Paris or New York.
Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to keep on creating.